Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare Spotify Premium versus YouTube Music Premium in 2025. If you're looking for the best music software in 2025 as a student, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. You'll pay $11.99 a month for Spotify, with a $5.99 per month deal available for students. There's also the option of a $16.99 Duo plan for a couple at the same address, and a $19.99 family plan for up to 6 family members at the same address. For YouTube Music, the cost is $10.99 a month or $109.99 a year for individuals. Students can get the service for $5.49 a month, and there's a $16.99 family plan available, which covers up to 5 family members living in the same place. YouTube Music is, however, also included in YouTube Premium, which removes all the ads from YouTube and gives you a bunch of other benefits, including a YouTube Music subscription. YouTube Premium is $13.99 a month or $139.99 a year for individuals, $7.99 a month for students, and $22.99 a month for families, up to 6 people. At this stage in the streaming music revolution, you're going to find just about every artist on just about every platform. The comparative size of catalogs isn't really a differentiator anymore. And whatever you want to listen to, you're probably going to find it on both Spotify and YouTube Music. Spotify does better than YouTube Music at surfacing new music and recommendations for you, though the YouTube Music experience isn't a bad one in this regard. YouTube Music also serves up several personalized mixes for you and will flag new music you're likely to like. It's just a little less comprehensive than Spotify's offerings. Spotify has managed to pack in more features than YouTube Music through the years, from the AI DJ to the blend playlists, all of which add to the value you get from a subscription. Load these apps side by side on your device of choice, and you'll see Spotify's interface design is both more sophisticated and easier on the eyes. Take song lyrics, for example. Spotify shows them as a karaoke-style feed that moves with the song, whereas YouTube Music just throws up a block of text for you to read through. Whether it's on desktop or mobile, Spotify makes the better use of the available space without ever being overwhelming. Both these services let you curate your own library as a subset of the entire catalog, but neither do a particularly good job at it. All the basic actions you need, from favoriting songs to editing playlists, are all well handled by both Spotify and YouTube Music. That was a basic overview comparison between Spotify Premium and YouTube Music, as which one is better for students in 2025. With this in mind, you can easily decide what suits you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.